Hello friends. In the span of this 1 week, we have seen lots of things of Python like data representation, features, and history of Python. Likewise, we have seen lots of things. Among all of this, I hope you understood all the concept, what we have seen till now. And I hope you have enjoyed the session as well as you are now willing to join the session. So please join the session as soon as possible, because from day after tomorrow onwards, we are going to change our link. So please do register yourself, do enroll yourself and join the class regularly. Apart from this, in the upcoming sessions, we are going to see our much more important topic, which is data type. So please don't miss any class. And if you have missed any class, please just go through the videos, what we have seen till now, and make sure that you are not falling behind of any topic. Thank you so much guys. Please do regularly attend the class. Thank you so much. Thank you.